VitalSleep Mouthpiece Review 2024 Best Anti-Snoring Mouthpiece. I know my husband suffered for years with this frustrating condition before finding an effective solution. In this VitalSleep Anti-Snoring Mouthpiece review, I'll share how this simple oral appliance ended my husband's decade-long struggle with snoring and apnea episodes. What is VitalSleep? VitalSleep is a mandibular advancement device cleared by the FDA to treat snoring and mild to moderate sleep apnea. My husband chose VitalSleep after researching various stop-snoring devices because of the affordable price and flexibility to mold it at home. How we found out about VitalSleep. After nearly 10 years married to my husband, I was shocked he didn't smother me in my sleep due to her deafening nighttime snoring. But then we discovered VitalSleep as an affordable, non-invasive option with rave reviews. Trying VitalSleep firsthand. My husband chose the petite oral device since he has a smaller jaw. Now VitalSleep stays securely and comfortably in place all night, doing its job to keep his airway open. VitalSleep benefits and features. Allows breathing through mouth or nose. VitalSleep leaves nasal airways open, unlike nasal devices. Additional features we like about VitalSleep. Affordable price point, just $69 per appliance. 30-day money-back guarantee. Does VitalSleep work? Our experience. VitalSleep absolutely makes a life-changing difference for stopping problematic snoring and preventing sleep apnea. For such a simple oral concept, I am blown away by the incredible improvements in his sleep. Potential drawbacks to consider. No anti-snoring product is 100% perfect. Not a solution for severe sleep apnea cases. Where can I get VitalSleep? VitalSleep offers free shipping and discounts for bulk orders to outfit the whole family. All packages also come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Final verdict. Highly recommend for snoring and mild sleep apnea. Thousands of users report life-changing results similar to my husband's experience. VitalSleep worked medical wonders that you shouldn't go another night without.